I have Jay Walsh joining me right now. Jay is the Vice President of Franklin Electric Company, Inc., and also the President of Franklin Fueling Systems. Jay, just a few questions for you, and thank you for joining us.
My pleasure.
Number one, what makes Franklin Fueling stand out?
Franklin Fueling Systems has the total underground petroleum solution. We're focused on protecting human health as we consider that system and the environment, and delivering on our promise of the lowest total cost of ownership.
And the second question, what are the biggest issues facing our fueling industry right now?
When I think of the biggest issues facing the industry, I think about it in two parts. One is in North America, there's certainly a major issue with diesel corrosion in underground fuel systems due to the composition of the fuel changing. And so Franklin has been very focused the last few years, well, at least the last two, on solving that problem. And we think we've arrived at that solution, which you'll hear a lot more about in the near future. The second issue is more about outside of North America, and mainly in high growth markets. There's not a lot of trained installers available to put these systems in. And we know the systems are very effective, but they must be installed properly. So Franklin has been focused there as well to provide assurance to tank owners, fuel system owners in those high growth markets where they have to build a lot of stations fast, and they want to do it with great assurance.
Can you tell me a little bit about some of the innovations that Franklin will be unveiling in 2020?
Yeah, one of those is a complete corrosion control solution for that problem of diesel corrosion in North America. And really it seems a bit elaborate. There's a lot of pieces to this system, but basically what it's intended to do and what it does very effectively is it removes water from the diesel tanks, underground diesel tanks. What we found is when we remove the water, we stop corrosion really in its tracks.
And if any of our attendees at the virtual convention want to find out more, they can head on over to the Franklin Fueling booth, and somebody will be there to answer all of their questions.
Absolutely. We'll be there.
Thanks, Jay.
Thanks so much.